हेलो फ्रेंड्स। ये आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, जिसमें आपको डाउट था। सी हेयर, इसमें कैसे आपको पावर फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है, राइट? सो दिस सर्किट इज कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल, राइट? सो वोल्टेज आर सेम फॉर ऑल, and what is a reference angle is 0. So you can draw the phasor for this. First of all, you need to find out the what is the respective current. Now see here, total current is 5 ampere. So and this 5 ampere is further transferred through this RL load. Now, so according to phasor calculation, so what is the current is flowing through this inductor is nothing but the 0, because 5 ampere is whole current is transferred through for rest of the circuit. So what is the phasor calculation? I total apply KCL here, right? Apply KCL here. KCL. So what is the total sum is 5 ampere is equal to, let's, this is IL load, right? So IL square plus rest of current is 5 ampere. 5 ampere. Now it is clearly observed this IL is nothing but the 0 ampere. So through this inductor, zero current flow means no current flow from this inductor. No current flow. No current flow. That means this inductor is not effect in this circuit. इस सर्किट में इंडक्टर का कोई रोल नहीं है. So overall circuit behave like a RC circuit, right? RC parallel RC circuit. So what is your rest of circuit is nothing but the RC circuit. So this is RC circuit. Now you need to draw the phasor for this RC circuit and find out the current. So this is 5 ampere and 4 ampere is given to you. So what is the value of this IR? Use phasor calculation here. So 5 square means 25. Sorry. So this is the overall current. So this is your overall current, which is nothing but the 5 square is 25, right? Which is equal to this IR square plus this IC square means 16. When you find out this IR, you will get 3 ampere, right? Now draw the phasor for this. Now you know the what is the voltage. Voltage is constant for all element, which is nothing but the 100 at an angle of 0 degree. So for resistive element, no phase difference, that's why IR is in phase with this V. But for pure capacitor, current is 4 ampere. Now this current is leading, right? Now this current is leading. So that's why for pure capacitor, current is leading, IC. Now what is the value of IC? This is 4 ampere. Now what is the value of 3? This is 3 ampere. Now what is the phasor sum of these two is 5 ampere. Now see, you need to calculate the power factor. What is the power factor? What is the power factor? Now this is your total current, right? This is your total current I, and this is your IC, right? IC is 4 ampere and this is IR is 3 ampere and total current is 5 ampere. Now cos phi is nothing but the angle between your current and voltage. So cos phi, find out the cos phi. Cos phi is nothing but the this 3 by 5, right? Which is nothing but the zero point 0.6. Now this is overall circuit is capacitive, that's why this is lead. You clearly observe this current is leading by this voltage, okay, by an angle of this phi. So cos phi is zero point 0.6 lead. I hope this is clear. Now the for 8 question, you need to determine the voltage by using mesh or nodal analysis. See, whatever the answer I am giving in your assignment, so that answer is for when you take this angle at an angle of 30 degree. Sorry for that. I मैंने वो क्वेश्चन फिर से ऑब्जर्व किया, बिकॉज कैलकुलेशन में कुछ मेरा भी मिस हो रहा था, तो फिर मैंने जैसे क्रॉस चेक किया तो यहाँ पे मैंने गलत आपको दे दिया था. यहाँ पे 5 एट एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री होना चाहिए. देन ओनली यू विल गेट द आंसर इज 3.6 3.14 at an angle of minus 118.96 वोल्ट. नाउ अगर आपने ये लेके कंसिडर किया है तो दैट्स ओके. अगर आपने ये इसे लेके कंसिडर किया है सो आपका आंसर ये नहीं आएगा, कुछ और आएगा. ओके. बट जिन लोगों ने असाइनमेंट सबमिट किया है सो उन्होंने कैसे आंसर लाया वो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा. सो try to use this if you verify your answer with this answer. अगर आपने इससे सॉल्व किया है तो आपका आंसर कुछ और होगा, मैं बाद में उसे वेरीफाई कर लूँगा. बस बेसिक स्टेप्स में क्या है, आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे केवीएल यूज़ कर लो. ओके. एंड सिंपल प्रोसेस है. बाकी सब यहाँ पे आपको ओम्स में ही दिया है. ओके. ओम में दिया है तो नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट, यू हैव टू यूज ओनली दिस KVL here. So suppose this is your loop 1, this is your loop 2, and this is your loop 3. Okay, so apply KVL step by step, you will find the answer. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. व्हाट इज यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा, सी थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ. जैसे कि आप कुछ भी कंसीडर करो, मैं जैसे इसे कंसीडर करता हूँ, राइट. इसे कंसीडर करके अगर मैं इसको सॉल्व करूँगा सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस आई टू की डायरेक्शन देखो अपोजिट है. सो आई टू इज नथिंग बट द 5 एट एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री. ये एक आपको मिल जाएगा आई टू. एंड रेस्ट ऑफ इक्वेशन व्हेन यू सॉल्व अप्लाई द केवीएल हेयर, बाकी सब आपको वहाँ से मिलेगा. ओके. So I hope now you don't have any doubt for these questions. Try to solve it, and sorry for that.